One of the questions roofers get a lot is, can we install shingles in the winter? So what we're looking at here is, this is a roof we installed just 2 days ago. We're in January right now. It's about 40 degrees outside. You know, we're in Pennsylvania. We don't get that harsh of winters that we can't get these kinds of projects done in the winter time. So while it's 40 degrees outside right now, if you were to go down to these shingles and touch them, they're probably sitting at about 65 to 70 degrees. And most manufacturers' sealant that comes on their shingles is going to start to get tacky at about that 70-degree mark. So while it may only be 40 degrees out here, these shingles are getting warm from the radiant heat from the sun, and they are sealing down beautifully even in the middle of January. If you don't believe me, take a look at this. That's a great seal right there. These shingles are in perfect shape right now. They're going to be performing exactly the way the manufacturer intended them to. Like I said, even though they were installed in the middle of January.